My friend, today I will explain you exercise 2.1 in class 9. Now, the first question is identify which is quadratic. This is a quadratic equation, not a quadratic equation. Tell me about the second question is, now we write down the question. Now, in this question, you identify which is one variable polynomials and which is not. Suppose you know that the power of one variable is in whole number, means whole number. And one variable thinks is a only x value involved. You can see x, y, t, y, x, y, t. Is it different? This different, this different, this different. So you can say which is polynomial. You know that x to power 2, 1 and x is equal to 0. It is a polynomial because the power is in a whole form, but in 2 and y0 is a polynomial, is a power in a whole number form, but in this you also write this t is equal to 1 by 2 plus t under root 2. Now the power is in 1 by not a whole number, so this not belongs, and you also write this 2 upon y minus 1. So here the power is not a whole number and this is also a whole number, so this belongs. So my friend, this is a polynomial one variable, this is a polynomial one variable, this not, and this is. This equation is not involved in a polynomial form because the power does not exist in a whole number. It exists in a fraction, rational number. And this is a negative integer. So this value is, you can easily understand. The power of one variable in the form of whole number. 2, 1, 0. Whole number 2, y0 is a whole number, but in the t 1 by 2 t is equal to power 1. 1 by 2 is not belong, it is involved is a rational number, and this is y is equal to y minus 1 is a negative integer. So this value is belongs. Now the next question is coefficient. First, second question, and third question, and fourth question. Now, in this question, you identify the coefficient of x square, my friend. The coefficient of x square, here is no multiplier, you know that, where is not seen, it is multiplied by a 1. Here is a multiply by 1 minus 1. and here is a multiply by pi by 2, and here is not a multiply, you suppose 0. So my friend, the coefficient of x square is minus 1 plus 1, and here minus 1, and here pi by 2, and here is 0. So coefficient means the constant of multiply of this number. This is the coefficient of x square. The coefficient of x square is the x square is the multiply by 1, x square is multiplied by minus 1, and x square is multiplied by pi by 2, and x square is multiplied by 0. So this is the question. You understand what is the coefficient, and the next number we can follow. Now the next number is, give one example of the polynomial degree 35 and of a monomial of a degree. A degree का degree 35 and monomial of degree 100. You know that the degree of 35 means y is equal to 35 plus 5. You can also write. You can also write x is equal to 35 because power is 35 and 100. And you can also z is equal to 35 plus 40. So there is a lot of solution. But degree is always same, 35. In monomial means one power only single power. You can write this. And you can also write this, and you can also write this. So this is a lot of solution, but you can write a single individual. The monomial of degree 100, my friend. Now the next question is identify. We write the each of the following degree of each of the following polynomials. Degree means 5x square, 4x square, 5x cube है, and 7x, and also 4 minus y square, 5t minus under root 7, and 4. What is the degree of? Means degree, my friend. First, second, third, and fourth. Degree means the highest power of one value. Highest power of one variable, my friend. So what is highest power of one variable? You know that 3, because it is 2, it is 1. So highest power 3. So power is, degree is 3 degree. And here is the degree of 2, my friend. And here 1, because P0 degree is 1. And here 0, the degree is 0. So you can also write answer, degree is 3 equal 3, and degree is equal 2, and degree is 1, and degree is 0. So the solution is this, my friend. 5x cube plus 4x square plus 7x minus power 1. The degree is 3 because the highest degree is 3, not 2, not 1. Here the highest degree is 2, and you can also 0. Degree is 2, and here is the degree is t power 1. The degree is 1, and here 3x is equal to 0. The degree is 0, my friend. Now the next question is most important. Identify which is linear, which is quadratic, which is cubic, and which is biquadratic. Now you can write the question: x square plus x minus x cube, y plus y square plus 4, 1 plus x, 3d r square and 7x cube. There is a question 1, 2, 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7. 6. 5, 6 and 7. So you know that what is linear? Linear means single power where degree is equal to 1. 1 means x. Quadratic means x square. Cubic means x cube, degree is equal to 3. And biquadratic means degree is equal to 4, x power 4. So you can identify which has a degree of 1, 2, 3 and 4. So here is a degree is 2. Degree is 2. So linear equation. Linear, no, degree is 2, my friend, not quadratic. Quadratic equation. Here degree is 3, so this is a cubic. Here degree is 2, quadratic. Quadratic equation. Here degree is 1, this is a linear. This is a linear, degree is 1. Quadratic, and this is a cubic equation. My friend, you know also identify if degree is 1, so this is a linear, degree is 1, this is a linear, degree 2 is a quadratic equation, and degree is 3 is a cubic equation. You can also write the equation, my friend. This is 2.1 exercise. Here we understand what is the polynomial equation, how to identify it is a whole number, and what is the coefficient of x square, and also you know that the degree of polynomials, and you can identify which number is quadratic, cubic, biquadratic and linear equation. Quadratic equation 2, here is the degree is 2, so this is a quadratic, degree is equal to 3, so it is a cubic equation. 2 is equal to quadratic, 1 is equal to linear, quadratic and cubic. This is the 2.1 exercise. I hopefully you better understand. If any doubt, you can comment.